Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about shaping of our eyebrows. Due to lockdown we are unable to go to parlor and we are afraid to go to parlor as well. So I got this video so that you can thread, trim, pluck or wax your eyebrows according to your convenience. I find plucking to be the most easy, painless and easy to use one. You can find your own. And I'll give some more tips how to wax your upper lips as well as your eyebrows if you are unable to make the proper wax or the proper sugar syrup. So let's get started.
So let's start with plucking. Before starting plucking, ensure that the plucker is clean. Start by stretching your skin and then plucking your hair one by one. Don't try to pluck more than one as it will pain. Press the plucker on root and pluck it. It will ease the process, and if you don't stretch or pluck more hairs at once, it will be painful. Plucking works best among all the methods as it removes the hair follicles from its roots. It is effective for small and light hair strands too. If you feel it is painful, then give it a break and try again. It is less painful than threading. In my experience, it is least painful. I generally get tears from my eyes when I thread, but this doesn't hurt at all. So you should try this once. Try to pluck the hair according to your hairline. Imagine your eyebrow shape and accordingly start plucking. You can take a pen and draw on your eyebrow as well so that your eyebrows won't get out of the shape.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Once you are done with one side, do the other side.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now before threading, take a scissor and cut the edges of your eyebrows so that you get the proper shape.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
So for eyebrow threading I am using this cotton thread 40. The size is 40 and this is specially designed for threading. So let's start.
So for threading, start taking certain length of thread that makes a proper loop. Don't make it too big or too small. Now apply some powder on your hands and on area to be threaded. Twist the loop in middle and keep both the hands on the loop formed in both the sides. Now start placing the twisted part on the hairline to be threaded. You can simply place the thread near the hair root and rub it against the hair growth so that it will get some space to place the thread without removing unwanted hairs. Now try widening the loop from opposite side of the twist that is placed on the hair root. Now slowly remove the unwanted hairlines. So I have already plucked and removed the unwanted hairs from my lower side. Now I am threading the upper side because I need the shape from the upper side only, and my lower side is already shaped. For threading, it is better if you mark it with a pen and then start doing it so that you can easily understand which is your unwanted hairline and which is your required hairline. Once you're done with one side, you can thread the other side as well. Now let's go and see how to do it with a trimmer. I am using a Nova trimmer. It is the most easiest and painless process, but in trimmer I find only one problem. My hair grows back within 1 or 2 days. So I prefer using trimmer only to give the proper shape and to remove the hairs that I couldn't remove with the help of thread or with the help of wax or with the tweezers. See,
Now I have already explained how to wax in my previous video. I'll give the link in the description. Now apply the sugar syrup as you apply the regular wax, and then press the cloth on the wax and then rip it off in the direction of hair growth.
now I am using the cloth to remove my forehead hairs as well. Be cautious, else you will rip off your hair strands as well from your head. Now even after doing it with a cloth, I could find few more hair strands still remaining on my upper lips. Now I'll show you another method to wax down so that it will effectively take out all the remaining hair strands. Now everyone must be having a spoon at their house. Just apply the sugar syrup on the back of the spoon, spread it well, and then apply it on your skin in the opposite direction of hair growth, and then with the help of spoon, take that sugar wax out. It is much more easier and much more convenient. It won't make your hands messy. Once you are done with the process, wash your face well and apply a toner followed by moisturizer. I am applying the same orange gel and I am mixing some amount of tea tree oil with it. So now let's see the final look. So as you can see my face, my eyebrows are properly shaped and it looks smooth and glowing.
Hey guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then,